Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flip images in Canva step by step. Canva lets you flip images horizontally or vertically with just a few clicks, so let's get started. First, open Canva on your computer. Next, open an existing design or create a new one. Then, upload your image or select one from Canva's library. Click on the image to select it. Next, click the Flip button on the toolbar at the top. You will see two options, Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Click Flip Horizontal to mirror the image from left to right, or click Flip Vertical to turn the image upside down. You can preview the changes and choose the option that looks best. Once you're happy with the result, click the Share button in the top right corner, then click Download, choose your preferred file format, and finally, click Download to save your flipped image. And that's it, you've successfully flipped an image in Canva. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.